Here's how to use a metal stamp to engrave your seed phrase onto a seed phrase plate. This product comes with 4 main accessories. One of the key components is the seed phrase plate, made from pure titanium. It's 1.5 mm thick with a black paint finish. The front side has a format that allows you to record 24 seed words, along with 2 additional lines for notes. It's credit card sized and looks sleek. Another accessory is the metal stamping jig. This tool is highly recommended as it improves the quality of the engraving process. First, it protects your hand from being hit, allowing you to hammer with confidence. Second, it keeps the stamp firmly in place, ensuring that it doesn't tilt, and the bottom of the stamp makes even contact with the seed phrase plate. This results in a more consistent and high-quality engraving. The metal workbench is another accessory that's crucial. When used, it ensures the seed phrase plate receives even pressure during stamping, preventing deformation. The impressions are deeper, and the results are significantly better than stamping directly on a table. The final essential accessory is the metal stamps, a set of 26 lowercase letter stamps in a standard font consistent with the seed phrase format. The side of each stamp is marked with the corresponding letter, facing you when correctly aligned, making selection and positioning easy. To start, place the seed phrase plate and the stamping jig onto the metal workbench. Identify the first letter to be stamped and insert the letter stamp into the jig, pressing it down fully. It might feel a bit tight, which is normal. Now, take your hammer and strike the stamp. After completing one letter, move on to the next and continue until all the seed phrase words are stamped. This process requires some time and patience. Stamping 12 seed words typically takes around 15 minutes. Once done, you'll see that the impressions are deep and well formed. Checking the back of the plate, there shouldn't be any significant marks, though the plate might have a slight bend. This is normal and can be fixed by gently hammering the back to flatten it. Comparing with a plate that has had its paint burned off, you can see that the engraved impressions remain deep and clear. After stamping, you can stack 2 plates together, secure them with screws, apply a tamper-evident seal, and store them in a safe place. Titanium is rust-resistant, highly corrosion-resistant, and has a high melting point, earning it the nickname, space metal. Even in the event of a fire or prolonged exposure to seawater, your seed phrase will remain preserved.